These are our directions for our room temperature lab. And the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to watch this movie that you have the link for to fill in this table. And the movie is basically me going around the classroom, taking the temperature of all these different things in my room. And once you've got these temperatures down, you can go ahead and do questions 1 through 4. Question 5 is going to require getting back in the Amplify thermal energy sim. And remember, we go into the Amplify curriculum. We go down here to this one that's got this little arrow in the middle with these kind of little balls right here. It says thermal energy sim. Don't choose phase change. It looks kind of similar. And when we do that, we pull up the thermal energy sim. And then what we're going to do this time is the first time we just chose one sample. Now you're going to choose a bunch, like 5 or 6. And you choose, it doesn't really matter. You can do medium and a medium and a large and a small. It doesn't make any difference. But I want you to just choose 2, and we'll go ahead and I'll confirm I want a small, and then I'll do a large. And the key thing is I want to make sure they're real different temperatures before we do the next step. So I'm just going to make this one a bunch warmer. Now, I could make this one a bunch colder. It doesn't matter. Play around with that. But one thing we haven't done is I can now slide this over and mix these two, and you can see the numbers start going crazy. What I want you to do, mix these different size samples until the numbers quit going crazy. And you'll see that no matter what the sample size and temperature is, every single thing you mix will end up having one thing that always happens no matter what. And that's what I want you to be looking for this one. And then when you're done with 5 and you think you've got that thing that always happens, well, how does what you wrote here in 5 relate to this stuff we saw up here in the room temperatures and what you wrote on 1 through 4? You should see a tie-in. Okay, that's it. Have fun.